So start mobile and wireless communication subject. This is subject for 5th semester for electronics and telecommunication branch. So first chapter is wireless communication system. Today we select our topics, a frequency synthesizer. I am Mr. S.S. Asne, lecturer in the Electronics and Telecommunication Department, CSMS, College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. So today's topic is a frequency synthesizer. So this is a block diagram of frequency synthesizer. There are various blocks in the frequency synthesizer. Start with the crystal, reference oscillator, pre-scaler, phase detector, low pass filter, VCO voltage control oscillator, frequency divider, and same there are outputs, frequency mixer. There are two outputs. One is carrier to frequency modulator in the transmitter, and second output, that is to the first mixer in the receiver. So first of all, here frequency synthesizer used in the mobile communication system for developing all the signal used by the transmitter and receiver. So important thing is that this frequency synthesizer used in the mobile phone unit for the wide range of frequency or acts as a local oscillator. So one by one we discuss about the diagram. So mainly it uses a PLLA circuit. What is PLLA? That is a phase locked loop. Then one more block, that is a mixer. The crystal oscillator means here crystal oscillator or reference oscillator is used to provide as a reference for two PLLA circuit. This is a reference signal for the PLLA circuit, that is phase locked loop. Then the output of VCO means voltage control oscillator. There are two oscillator, VCO1 and VCO2. So output of VCO2 is used as a local oscillator frequency for first mixer in the receiver. Means the output of VCO2, this is the first mixer in the receiver. This is connected. There are two mixer in the receiver diagram or receiver block diagram. So this output is connected to the receiver diagram. Okay. Then next, output of two VCO are mixed together. VCO1 and VCO2 are mixed together to produce a transmitter output frequency. Means this second output of the frequency synthesizer. The carrier to frequency modulator transmitter, this output is connected to the transmitter block diagram. The next point about the frequency synthesizer, the frequency divider block receive the and divide numbers from logic section. So this frequency divider are connected to the logic section. Input from logic section are given to this frequency divider, and this frequency divider divide the frequency into number of slots. These numbers means frequency divide number, and these numbers are given by MTSO computers. MTSO computer means this signal are given to the MTSO, that is mobile telecommunication switching office. Okay, understood? So frequency divider. Then next point, the divide by number will set and transmit and receive the channel frequencies. in the next step or next position. The two output produced by frequency synthesizer are applied to the modulator box in the transmitter and first mixer in the receiver respectively. These output of the frequency synthesizer are connected to the transmitter and receiver section. We study detail about in the receiver and transmitter section. Then last important point about the frequency synthesizer is that frequency synthesizer thus acts as an local oscillator which can produce a wide range of frequency with the high stability. This is the most important point about the frequency synthesizer. It produces a wide range of frequency with the high stability. Okay, this is all about the frequency synthesizer. I will overview about the frequency synthesizer. The long form of VCO, that is voltage control oscillator, that is PLLA, that is phase locked loop, LPF, that is low pass filter, phase detector, frequency divider. These are connected to logic section. There are two outputs of frequency synthesizer. One output is connected to first mixer of the receiver section, then second output, that is frequency modulator, is connected to the transmitter section of the mobile phone unit. A reference oscillator and crystal oscillator are used to provide a reference for two PLLA circuit. This is all about the frequency synthesizer. So next important feature about the frequency synthesizer. There are only 4 important features. That is, first, it produces very high frequency stability. The next feature, that is, it develops all the signal used by transmitter and receiver. That is most important feature. And third feature, it produces 333 signal in the band 825 to 845 megahertz with each slot of 30 kilohertz wide. And last feature, it produces another 333 signal in the band 8070 to 8098 megahertz with each slot of 30 kilohertz wide. So these are the 4 feature about the frequency synthesizer. And the next point that is important for student point of view, the most question asked in this topic, that is, draw the block diagram of frequency synthesizer of mobile handset and state its function in the cellular handset. So this is all about the frequency synthesizer. Last, thank you very much watching this video. Please subscribe my channel MS Learning Center and subscribe my channel or comment on same video. Again, thank you very much.